Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Hazimin Ikwan bin Hasriman from A31, and today I'm going to teach you how to use function in Excel. Actually, there are various type of function in Excel that you can use, but in this video I will only show you some of it. Without wasting any time longer, let's launch our Excel. So first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to make a table of data that we have recorded. So for example, let's click at cell A1 and type name, just like that, and we are going to double click on cell B1 and type distance in bracket M, and as you can see that the word doesn't fit with the cell. So what we are going to do next is we're going to double click on the line of the cell so that we can ensure the word is just fit in the cell, just like that, and then insert the data that you have recorded. This is my data, and you can see the table doesn't look beautiful like you always see. So what I'm going to do next is just to add some borders to the table simply by drag the data set from cell A1 until B11, and then click the borders icon at the home panel, and you can choose any type of borders that you want to use. But in this video, I think like I'm going to choose the all borders for my table, just like that, and the borders have been constructed to our table. Now I will show you how to use the basic function such as maximum, minimum, and average. But before that, we need to create a table for the average distance, maximum distance, and minimum distance. Double click on cell D14 and then type average distance, then double click on cell D15 to type maximum distance, and same goes to cell D14, which is to type the minimum distance. So same like before, we're going to construct a table for our maximum, average, and minimum distance simply by click the borders icon and click the all borders section. Now let's start our first function with average. Double click on cell E14, and you can choose either you want to insert, just type the formula, or click the insert function icon here to choose a various type of functions that you didn't know the formula. As you can see here, they have a lot of function that you can use, such as if, count, and many more. So here we will use the average, and then select the data set from cell B2 until B11, just like that, and then press enter. And now you can see the Excel is automatically fill up the value for the average distance. So next we are going to make the function for maximum distance. So I think that I'm going to write the formula, which is equal sign max, which defined as maximum, and then select the data set from cell B2 until B11 just like before. Close the bracket and then you can press the enter button, and now you get the maximum distance value for our data. And next we are going to make the minimum distance. So same like before, equal sign min, which indicates the minimum. Select the data set from cell B2 until my bad. Okay, let me correct this. Let's start it over. Open the bracket and then select the data set from cell B2 until B11, and then close the bracket and press enter. And now the Excel shows the value for our minimum distance in our data. Next, I'm going to add some criteria for my table, which is the eligibility for the next stage. So let me type it first. Now I will show you how to determine whether the candidates are eligible for the next stage using the function if. So double click on cell C2 and type equal sign if, open the bracket. So for the logical test value, which we will select the data from cell B2, and we need to put the condition for the cell, which is to be the greater than or equals to 6. It's up to you to put the condition for your data. So for the value if true, we need to we will type it as eligible. And for the value if false, which is the contrast of the eligible, which is not eligible, and then close the and you need to have this sign and then close the bracket, then press enter. Now you can see the Excel is automatically give you the result whether the candidates are eligible or not eligible. But we didn't want to waste our time writing the same formula. So what we are going to do next is you're going to click the small square box at the edge of these cells and then drag down until the cell 11, which is the end of our data table, just like that. Now you can see the outcome will be automatically filled by the Excel, so you didn't have to waste your time writing the same formula over and over again for the table or for the data. That's all from me. I hope this video helps you a lot to make your work easier. Thank you and goodbye.